Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. In a world where smart home devices are becoming increasingly specialized, Ecovacs Winbot Mini brings robotic cleaning to a whole new vertical level, literally. This compact glass cleaning robot is designed to climb and clean windows, making tedious chores like glass wiping feel almost futuristic. Priced at around $310, the Winbot Mini is a worthy companion for modern homes. Filled with glass walls and windows, compact size, thoughtful design. As its name suggests, the Winbot Mini is a downsized version of the larger Winbot W1 and W2 models, measuring 8.5 by 8.5 by 2.2 inches and weighing just 2.6 pounds. This robot is much smaller and lighter than its predecessor, the Winbot W2 Omni, which weighs over 10 pounds. Its compact form factor not only makes it easier to carry around, but also more effective for cleaning smaller glass surfaces commonly found in urban apartments. The robot retains a square design with a recessed carrying handle on top. It features a power button, the Ecovacs logo, and a 60 ml built-in cleaning solution tank. Ecovacs recommends using only their official cleaning fluid to avoid damage or performance issues. At the back, the robot features two secure cables. One is a power cord with a twist lock safety screw to prevent accidental disconnection, and the other is a durable safety rope with a clip, ensuring the robot stays anchored while operating from high positions. These safety features are crucial for a robot designed to scale vertical surfaces, climbing and cleaning with confidence. One of the main concerns with window cleaning robots is how well they adhere to glass surfaces. Winbot Mini addresses this with a 7,500 Pascal suction system that allows it to cling tightly to windows. This suction not only keeps the robot in place, but also creates downward pressure on the microfiber pad to ensure effective dirt removal. Even in the event of a sudden power loss, Winbot Mini can stay attached to the glass for up to 30 minutes, giving users enough time to restore power or perform a safe retrieval. Powered by WinSlam 3.0 navigation, the robot navigates accurately on both framed and frameless windows. In real-world testing, it successfully maneuvered across window corners and edges without overshooting, even on completely frameless panes. However, users should note that the robot may struggle with groove joints between glass panels, especially those that are beveled, as it may lose suction and stop. Cleaning performance. Winbot Mini uses dual ultrasonic spray nozzles that mist the cleaning fluid across the glass surface efficiently. The combination of fine mist, strong suction, and a square microfiber pad results in excellent performance on surfaces with light to moderate dirt, such as fingerprints and dust. For more stubborn, dried-on grime, the robot may need a second run or manual pre-cleaning. A deep clean mode is available, and swapping out a fresh cleaning cloth helps, but in heavily soiled areas, manual assistance might still be necessary. Its low profile, just 2.2 inches tall, also allows it to reach behind curtains or blinds without requiring the user to move them, an underrated benefit for those with large or fixed window treatments. Control and connectivity. The Winbot Mini connects to the Ecovacs Home app via Bluetooth. While not as fast or responsive as Wi-Fi connected vacuum robots, the app still allows users to select cleaning modes, start or stop cleaning, and even manually control the robot's direction using the driver mode. This is particularly helpful for guiding the robot to missed spots or difficult corners. Once cleaning is complete, the robot typically returns to its starting point. However, in some rare cases, it may stop in less accessible spots, where manual guidance through the app becomes essential. Ideal for glass-heavy homes, as modern architecture increasingly favors open spaces and glass partitions. Winbot Mini emerges as a practical tool for homeowners. Its convenience, efficiency, and intelligent design Make it well suited for apartments or homes with multiple windows, glass doors, or mirrors. At $310, the Winbot Mini offers good value for its category, especially considering its performance, safety features, and ease of use. For those tired of manually cleaning windows or reaching awkward spots, this robot presents a futuristic and functional solution, small in size, but big on impact.